quite a bit of work. Had to use a torch, and unfortunately the acetylene regulator was fluttering, so hoping for my adapter to come so I can use my regulator instead. So yeah, it was quite a bit of work just to get that off. Had to separate that from the other piece that had broken off of our muffler on the Murano. Kind of a dual exhaust from a single muffler. Anyway, this is the piece. It separated and broke off around there. And I drilled it out with the drill press. So it can work again with bolts. It had built-in studs there, but they had to be torched off. Anyway, so that's the way that's going to go. Once we figure out the angle for this, when it's reinstalled, then we can figure out the angle and then I guess tack weld it, and then use some welding rods with the gas.